Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, exercise 2.2. And what is the question? That we have to find the derivatives by first principle. So let's first see what is the procedure of finding the derivative by first principle. Here it is. Step number 1, let's name the given function as y. Step 2, replace x by x plus del x, y by y plus del y. Step 3, find del y. Step 4, put the value of y here, y equals to f of x. Step 5, divide both sides by del x. Step 6, take the limit, evaluate this limit. This limit is called dy by dx and this limit is called f dash x, the derivative of f of x. We have to do some simplification here, we do some simplification here, we do some simplification here. Let's get to these steps are to be followed in all the questions when we have to find the derivative by first principle. Let's get to question number 1. Ax plus b whole cube. Let's start the solution. Let y equals to ax plus b whole cube. You see, replace x by x plus del x, y by y plus del y. Bring y towards this side. Put the value of y equals to x plus b cube. And what we have done here, open up this bracket, rearrange it so that you have ax plus b together and a del x is separate. And now we will apply a plus b whole cube formula here, considering this whole thing as one term and this whole thing as second term. The formula, del y equals to ax plus b whole cube plus 3 ax plus b square a del x plus 3 ax plus b a del x whole square plus a del x whole cube and minus ax plus b whole cube from here. What we have done? We have used the formula of a plus b whole cube here, using this in place of a and this in place of b. What is the next step? Cancel these two terms, ax plus b whole cube and minus ax plus b whole cube. These two got cancelled and we are left with these. You can see there is a del x in every term. Take this a del x common. What is the next step? Divide both sides by del x. Here it is. This del x, divide both sides by del x, and then this del x got cancelled. And next step, we are going to apply the limit. You can see del x has been cancelled and we apply the limit when del x tends to 0 on both sides. This limit is called dy by dx. And here we are going to put the value of del x equal to 0. This is 0, this will be 0. Here it is. This becomes dy by dx. This becomes as it is. And this becomes 0, this becomes 0, result this term is 0, this term is 0 and we are left with only this thing. And this is the answer. These are the basic things which we are going to use in all of the questions of exercise 2.2. Let's get to question number 1 part 2. Here it is. 2x plus 3 to power 5. Let's start the solution. Let y equals to 2x plus 3 to power 5. Replace x by x plus del x, y by y plus del y. Open this bracket, rearrange these, bring this y towards this side. Here it is. Put the value of y equals to 2x plus 3 to power 5 and take rearrange it to get 2x plus 3 here. Here it is. Now apply the formula of a plus b to power 5 using the binomial theorem. We get this thing, del y is equal to this to power 5 plus 5 into the same thing to power 4 into 2 del x. Then 5 into 4 by 2 factorial, 2x plus 3 cube into 2 del x whole square plus so on. And we write the last term which is 2 del x to power 5. And then this is this term minus 2x plus 3 to power 5. Next, These two terms got cancelled, and you can see we have got 2 del x in every term. Take this 2 del x common and you will get this thing. Go to the next step. What is the next step? Divide both sides by del x, and then we are left with this thing. This del x got cancelled. So we go for the next step. We apply limit when del x tends to 0 on both the sides, on this side and on this side. This limit is called dy by dx, and on this side we are going to apply the limit when del x tends to 0. So this term got 0, this term got 0, and this is what we get. The final result is dy by dx is equal to 10 into 2x plus 3 to power 4. And this is it.